Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do an unboxing today of the mystery box from Cricut for this month. We had gotten this, ordered it last Wednesday, and this box is, I'm not sure if it's still available or not. You can try to check. If you go on their website and type in mystery box, you can see it. And Jennifer Maker, if you go to her website, you can also get into her email, and she'll send you a message when these go on, when these are available. This box was $59.99, I want to say. And you get like over $130 worth of product in the box. I am trying to find out the name of the box for this month. And they are offered every month, which is pretty cool. And it's a great thing if you're new to Cricut, that you can, yeah, I can't find the name of it on there. But you can, if you're new to Cricut, it's a great product that you can order, and it gives you different kinds of products that you can use to try out to see what you like. So let's dig in. This one is premium vinyl, and it's permanent matte, and it is called True Brushed. You can see it on there. Has a teal, a purple, and like a rose color. There's 3 sheets of the premium vinyl and 1 sheet of transfer tape in here. So there's that one. Also came with holographic iron-on. This is the berry sorbet sample, and you get 3 sheets, 12 by 12. And each mystery box has a whole bunch of cool stuff in it. It's great to try the new product. This one is an everyday iron-on strong bond. There's 3 sheets, 12 by 12. It's neon glow sticker sample. So if you can see, there's like a pink, a yellow, and an orange in there, which is pretty cool. Cool. We'll leave that one for last. So it also comes with this fine point pen set, which this one is sherbet, however you want to say it. So there is a green, a blue, a pink, an orange, and a yellow in there, which is pretty cool. And then it has some utensils, some weeding. This is a weeding tool set. So you got 2 different kinds of weeders in there, 3 different kinds of weeders, and then 2 pairs of tweezers for the weeding set. I know these go bad after a while. Mine are still all good, but we'll use them. And then it also comes with some Infusible ink. This one, let me see if I can find the name for it. Patterns, Bright Bow Fairy Tale. So it's right there. I have never used the Infusible ink before. I had got some with my Cricut when I got it, because I got the expansion pack. So this has 4 sheets, 12 by 12. I'm going to have to try it. Alright, and then it also came with some cardstock. And these are pretty pastel colors. Open it up for you. Just in time for Easter, which is going to be pretty cool. So you have a pink, and then there is like a tan color, and then like a magenta pink, a blue, kind of like this mustard color, and then it came with a blue. So, which is pretty cool. And then it also, we got, the last thing, is we got some glitter cardstock. Cricut brand. And there's a purple. There's a yellow. There's a turquoise, a pink, and a blue. So those will be fun to try. And then all of the boxes that you get that are the mystery boxes come with a cutie. And there's our cutie. These are like a collectible kind of figurine, which is so cute. It's got the Cricut on the back. This one is Sunflower. It's a Cricut cutie. So every box you get pretty much has one of these in it. So thank you for joining me. Please like. We will be talking to you later. Subscribe. And we will see you later, guys. Have a good day.